Hello, this is assembly code for the 80386 processor, or later, that writes 6 hello awesomes in 6 different languages. So first I'm going to run this code and then I'm going to explain it. Just run this here. Terminal booting up. Then I'm going to just do CLS to clear the screen. There we go. So first, let's list everything we got. Alright, interesting. Let's list all the exes. .exes. There we go. Test. And then just run it. And there we go. So, hello awesome, oya awesome, ciao awesome, bonjour awesome, salve awesome, and hayo awesome. Then, let's start explaining the code. So this informs you that it's for the 80386 processor. We have a data segment that covers this here, and we're defining the bytes inside of the data segment. Then we're defining our code segment and including data in there. Then this is the beginning of the code. So we're loading the 16-bit address into the AX register. We're copying it from AX into the DX register, setting upper byte to the value 9, and then loads the offset address of the message variable containing the string, and does the interrupt number 21H to invoke the various DOS systems. So this is an MS-DOS, so just to be sure. So to be clear, this segment right here prints the variable message. So then we just do this 5 more times, and that explains itself over there. Then we just set the high byte to the value 4CH, which is the interrupt function number for terminating the program, and trigger the interrupt. And just closing everything out there. And there we go. This is some assembly code that just says hello a bunch of times. It's not that hard. Alright, see ya.